Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This question is question number 73 out of 150 questions. This question asks, write 5/8 as a decimal. And the choices are A. 8.5, B. 5.8, C. 0.625, D. 0.85. Again, the question and choices are write 5/8 as a decimal. The choices are A. 8.5, B. 5.8, C. 0.625, D. 0.85. Do you know how to write fractions as decimals? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and choices, and then I will read the answer and then explain my answer. Write 5/8 as a decimal. The choices are A. 8.5, B. 5.8, C. 0.625, D. 0.85. 5 over 8 is equal to 5 divided by 8. Again, 5 over 8 is equal to 5 divided by 8. 8 is larger than 5, therefore place a point after the 5, along with zeros. 8 into 5 can't. 0. 5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.625. Answer 0.625. Answer C. Now I will explain my answer. 5 over 8 is equal to 5 divided by 8. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So 5 over 8 becomes 5 divided by 8. 5 over 8 becomes 5 divided by 8. Let's divide 5 by 8. Let's divide 5 by 8. 8 into 5 you can't. 8 into 5 you can't. So you place a 0 over the 5. Then you put a point and put a 0 beside it. And then you write the 5 beside the 0. That makes 50. 8 into 50 goes 6 times, because 8 times 6 makes 48. 8 times 6 is 48. So 8 into 50 goes 6 times, remain 2. Place the 2 that is remaining beside the 0. Place a 0 there and place 2 that is remaining beside the 0. That makes 20. Don't forget to write the point after the 5. After you have the 5, don't forget to write the point. Very important when you're dividing fractions, when you're turning fractions into decimals. Very important to put the point. So 5.00, and we have 2. So that's 20. 8 into 20. 8 into 20 goes 2 times, because 8 times 2 makes 16. 8 into 20 goes 2 times, remain 4. You place another 0 and you write the 4 beside the 0. That makes 40. 8 into 40 goes 5 times, because 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. So therefore, you don't need to write any more zeros, because there's no remainder after 40. 8 times 5 is 40. There's no remainder, so you don't need to write any more zeros. So 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. Answer 0.625. Answer C. Answer 0.625. Answer C. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Something for your child to do this summer. GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. Only $4,000 for 50 tests with answers. Email Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com for free samples and payment information. These are GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers for the mathematics and answers for the other subjects. You should give your child who is entering grade 4, 5 or 6 these tests to do in the summer before they start school in September. So if the child is going in grade 4, if a child is going in grade 5, or if a child is going in grade 6, they can do these tests. So remember, if the child is going in grade 4, they can do these tests. GSAT and PEP starts from grade 4. So you should watch my videos from as early as grade 3. And then when the child is going, before the child goes to school in September, in the summer before they start school, in the summer before they start grade 4, they can do these practice tests. GSAT actually starts from grade 4 and PEP actually starts from grade 4 and it continues in grade 5. Grade 6 is just a revision grade. You only revise in grade 6. The months September, October, November, and the half of December that your child goes to school in grade 6 is just revision of what they did in grade 4 and grade 5. Yes, the months September, October, November, and the half of December that they go to school in grade 6 is just revision that they do during those times. They revise what they did in grades 4 and grade 5. Come January and February, it's just practice tests and mock exams. As of January, it's just practice tests and mock exams that your child does in school. So you should have done you should have done all the reading, watched all the videos, did all the studying before January in grade 6. After that, it's just practice tests and mock exams. After that, it's just stress to try to let the child get to catch up after January. It's stress. It can be done, but it's stressful. So start these tests. You can do them in the summer before your child starts grade 4, or in the summer before your child starts grade 5, or in the summer before your child starts grade 6. Something useful to do in the summer: GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. So write down that email address. Write down the email address: Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. And email me to get free samples of the test of the GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. You will get free samples, and then you can decide to purchase the set of 50 tests with answers. So you can email me from the email address that you would like the test sent to, so that I will have the email address ready and correct to send the test to. So email me from the email address that you would like the test sent to. So go ahead, write down that email address and ask for free samples now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.